Visit CentralCoastConcretePolishing.com to learn more about the cutting-edge technology of concrete polishing and stone restoration. From marble, granite, travertine, and a host of other natural stone, Central Coast Polishing delivers high-quality results. Schools are using it, showrooms, museums, commercial businesses, residential homes, and especially in SLO County, are famous breweries, distilleries, and wineries. Since our founding, Central Coast Polishing and Restoration has been known for quality services, exceptional efficiency, and the highest level of professionalism. Call 805-300-2750 or visit CentralCoastConcretePolishing.com to find out for yourself about our passion for polish.